First on our list is Ooty, the queen of hill stations. Famous for its breathtaking landscapes, colonial-era charm, and tea gardens, Ooty is a must-visit. Top attractions in Ooty are Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Take a scenic toy train ride from Mettupalayam to Ooty. It's a UNESCO World Heritage experience. Doddabetta Peak, the highest peak in the Nilgiris with a panoramic view of the entire region. Ooty Botanical Garden, home to rare and exotic plants, perfect for nature lovers. Ooty Lake. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride surrounded by Mishti Hills. For a magical experience, visit Doddabetta Peak early in the morning when the clouds touch the hills. It's like walking in heaven. Up next is Kodaikanal, known as the Princess of Hills. This charming hill station is famous for its misty atmosphere, dense forests, and serene lakes. Top attractions in Kodaikanal are Koka's Walk, a scenic pathway offering breathtaking valley views. Best enjoyed at sunrise. Pillar Rocks, 3 gigantic rock pillars standing tall amidst the mist. Silver Cascade Waterfall, a 180-foot waterfall perfect for photography. Kodaikanal Lake, rent a pedal boat and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Try homemade chocolates and fresh herbal tea in Kodaikanal's local markets. They are a treat for your taste buds. Quieter alternative to Ooty, known for its sprawling tea estates and breathtaking viewpoints. Top attractions in Kunura Tea Gardens. Visit a tea plantation and learn about the tea making process. Dolphin's Nose, a viewpoint offering spectacular views of the Nilgiri Hills. Sims Park, a botanical garden with exotic trees and colorful flowers. Laws Falls, a hidden waterfall surrounded by dense forests. Don't leave without tasting the freshly brewed Nilgiri tea. It's one of the finest in the world. Yercaud, also known as the Jewel of the South, is a perfect weekend getaway with its cool climate and beautiful coffee plantations. Top attractions in Yercaud are Yercaud Lake, a scenic lake where you can enjoy boating. Kilur Falls, a mesmerizing waterfall, best visited after the monsoon. Pagoda Point, a viewpoint offering a panoramic view of Salem city. Coffee plantations, take a plantation tour and learn how coffee is grown. For an adventure, try trekking to Kilur Falls. It's an experience you won't forget. Yelagiri is a lesser-known hill station, perfect for those seeking peace and adventure. Top attractions in Yelagiri are Punganore Lake. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride. Jalagampare Waterfalls, a refreshing waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. Swamimalai Hills, a trekking spot with breathtaking views. Yelagiri is one of the best places for paragliding in Tamil Nadu. Try it for an unforgettable experience. Less crowded than Ooty, Kotagiri is a paradise for nature lovers and trekkers. Top attractions in Kotagiri are Catherine Falls, a double cascading waterfall. Longwood Shola Forest, a dense forest perfect for nature lovers. Elk Falls, a hidden gem with scenic beauty. Rangaswamy Peak and Pillar, a unique rock formation with panoramic views. Stay at a tea estate homestay for an authentic experience. Kolli Hills is an adventure lover's dream. The thrilling 70 Hairpin Bend Road is a must experience for bikers. Top attractions in Kolli Hills are Agaya Gange Waterfalls, a mesmerizing waterfall. Arapaleshwara Temple, a historic Shiva temple. Sikuparai Viewpoint, a perfect spot for breathtaking views. 70 Hairpin Bends Drive, a thrilling ride through winding roads. A paradise for bikers, ride through the 70 Hairpin Bends. Visit Agaya Gange Waterfalls right after the monsoon for the best experience. Visit early in the morning for the best wildlife sightings and Mishti mountain views. You might spot elephants and bison along the way. Top attractions in Valpare are tea estates surrounded by lush greenery. Sholyar Dam, one of India's largest dams. Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary, home to elephants and other wildlife. Nalamudi Viewpoint, a scenic spot offering panoramic valley views. Look out for wild elephants on your way. Stay in a forest bungalow for a unique wildlife experience. Meghamalai is an unexplored beauty with lush green mountains and pristine lakes. Top attractions in Meghamalai are Meghamalai Wildlife Sanctuary, rich in flora and fauna. Manala Dam, a peaceful retreat with scenic beauty. Highways Dam, a hidden spot with stunning landscapes. Bird watching spots home to rare and exotic birds. Stay in an eco-resort to enjoy nature at its best, perfect for relaxation. Perfect for photographers, every corner is a picture-perfect spot. For a unique experience, visit Javadu Hills. It's a great spot for trekking and exploring local tribal heritage. Top attractions in Javadu Hills are Bhimanmadavu Waterfalls, a lesser-known but stunning waterfall. Komateri Lake, a peaceful place for relaxation. Forest trails perfect for trekking and exploring nature. Tribal settlements experience the rich culture of the indigenous tribes. Trek to Bhimam Falls for an unforgettable adventure. It's one of the best kept secrets of Tamil Nadu. Try tribal handicrafts for unique souvenirs. Which hill station is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Like, share,